Let's now talk about the next category on the list, meal timing or nutrition timing. This is a huge topic of discussion in the fitness community and one that has always been controversial. Of course, to know what exactly I mean with meal timing, it's useful to first define the term in detail. In its most general sense, meal timing asks the question of when to take in nutrients on any given day. This general definition can be broken down into two distinct subterms. Meal frequency, which means how many meals per day should you consume, and meal timing in relation to activity. So if your meals should be timed in any special way around periods of training, activity, and rest. Before we go into the details of meal timing, let me say one thing. Even though meal timing has its place in a well-designed diet, its importance is most often overestimated by beginners. Calorie balance and macronutrients amounts are much more powerful and important than meal timing, and if you cared only about them, you'd be totally fine. There are certain times of the day when it makes sense to eat certain foods, but this doesn't have the potential to make or break your diet like your calories or macronutrients have. This also means that if you lead a busy life and don't have a lot of time to perfectly plan your meals, you can still see great results if you follow what I taught to you in the last lessons. That being said, let's now look at what we can do to optimize your meal timing.